All right, if you intend to write IELTS, it is very important for you to know the type of IELTS that you are going to write. You should understand that the IELTS is actually divided into two. We have the Standard IELTS and then we have IELTS for UKVI. It is the country you intend processing that will determine the type of IELTS you are going to do. For example, if you are traveling to the United Kingdom, then you cannot write the Standard IELTS. You have to write IELTS for UKVI, and that is United Kingdom Visa and Immigration. Please, you have to understand that, because there was a time, I think last year, there was a time I had an encounter with someone who did IELTS, and he was very happy because he even had, the person had more than the score that he needed, only for him to use the result, and then the result was rejected because he went ahead to do the Standard IELTS instead of writing the UKVI IELTS. So he needed to come to write the exam again. So you can see that it is very important for you to identify the country. So once you know the country, don't forget, if it is UK precisely that you are processing, then you have to write IELTS for UKVI, United Kingdom Visa and Immigration. But if you are processing any other country aside UK, probably you want to process Canada, you want to process Australia, New Zealand, all these countries, then you should write the Standard IELTS, without the UKVI. And currently in Nigeria, the price is not the same. If you are going for the UKVI IELTS, currently the price of that exam is 285,000 naira. But if you are going for the Standard IELTS, the one that is not connected to UKVI, you're not traveling to UK to process anything, then that one is 266,000 naira. So they do not have the same price. We never can tell. The price might increase any moment from now, but for now, currently, that is just the price. And another thing that is also very important for you to note is you have to identify which one you want to do, aside probably if it is UKVI or if it is the Standard IELTS. If you are processing your permanent residency, then you need to go for the general training. You are processing UK and you want to process your permanent residency there, then you should go for the general training IELTS UKVI. But if you're traveling to UK just for academic pursuits, then you need to write IELTS general training for UKVI. But if you are traveling to any other country aside UK and you want to process your permanent residency, then you need to go for the general training IELTS. If you're going there to process your education, undergraduate, postgraduate, then you go for the academic training IELTS. So you have to understand the difference between the two. So note the one you want to do, note the country you actually are processing.